Well, a local community college damaged in the January floods just got a big boost. This morning, Congressman Juan Vargas presented the San Diego College of Continuing Education with a $500,000 check for renovations and repairs. NBC 7's Audra Stafford shows us how the money is going to benefit the school and its tens of thousands of students.
This is the main hallway of the Educational Cultural Complex. You can see all of the carpeting has been removed as a result of the flooding, and this is just a fraction of the damage here on campus.
Just like many people in Southeast San Diego, January 22nd, the floods hit us really hard.
Since then, much of the campus has been closed. In addition to the damage to the entryway, San Diego College of Continuing Education President Dr. Tina King says several classrooms, the welding space, culinary arts area, and newly renovated lounge were also impacted by the floods.
When we had to close the facilities, it felt like the pandemic all over again. We had to hurry up and shift to remote for many of our students. We had to help some of our students be deployed to other campuses.
King says they've been able to carefully open some of the damaged areas as they make repairs. And she says the additional $500,000 presented to the college today by Congressman Juan Vargas will help them make some much needed upgrades to some of their outdated facilities as well.
It's going to be a beautiful time for our students.
From Mountain View, I'm Audra Stafford, NBC 7.